How to cancel an Uber Eats order after placing it. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can cancel an Uber Eats after placing the order. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Uber Eats application on your phone, or you could also head over to ubereats.com and log in into your account. After that, tap on the three-line icon at the top left corner, and from here, go to the orders. Tap on orders to see your current and past order. From your active order, find the order that you want to cancel. Tap on it to view the order details. If the order is still eligible for the cancellation, you will see a cancel order button. Tap on cancel order, then you may be asked to select a reason why you want to cancel your order. Choose your appropriate reason from the list or also write a short explanation why you are canceling your order. After that, all you have to do is confirm that you want to cancel the order. And after confirm of your cancellation, the order will be cancelled. But you can only cancel your order before the restaurant starts preparing it. Once the restaurant has accepted and started making your food, cancellation might not be possible, or you may have to pay a certain fee in order to cancel your order. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.